Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
Hello Mahira.
Yes, what
So
happened?
today, after a long time, we have come up with another worksheet which is a little advanced level for junior KG kids.
That is that way and 2 plus. So here
Yes,
maths.
we will start maths as well as English.
Okay.
So shall we begin, Mahi?
Of course.
So the first worksheet is of maths where Mahira has to write greater than, less than and equal to. Okay Mahira?
Okay.
Start. Yes, so greater than, less than and equal to is done. The next activity is read and write number names. Mahira, you have to read these number names like 1, O-N-E 1 and then you have to write here O-N-E 1. Okay? You have to repeat the number names. Chalo.
Okay. O-N-E 1. N-E
Once only.
1. T-W-O 2.
थोड़ा close. हाइफन देके 2 लिखो ऊपर. हाँ, जैसे 1 लिखा है. हाँ.
2.
नेक्स्ट. Are also complete. So let's see Mahi, which is the next worksheet. Turn the page. Additions.
Addition.
The next worksheet is of additions and I am going to tell you how to teach your kids to do the additions. Very simple method. Okay Mahi, so how will you do the additions? Come on, do it.
5 sticks and 2 sticks.
Okay, make 5 sticks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay,
1, 2.
now count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, so 5 plus 2 is 7. Very good. Next.
4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 12, 6, 8.
Correct. Next.
7 plus 1.
Mahi, so quickly you have done the additions.
And I am a champion girl.
Okay. The next worksheet is of between numbers. Okay. So Mahi, you have to write the between numbers. What will come between 7 and 9? Okay, so with this, maths worksheet is complete. So here I have made some patterns and Mahira will recognize what will come next. Okay, Mahi? So the first one is circle, then square, again circle and again square. What will come here?
Circle.
Okay, do it. Okay, so Myra has made so many leaves of the flowers, but that's okay. So our pattern worksheet is also completed. Let's do the next one. Now, English worksheet. Here, Mahi, I have written few sight words in capital as well as small letters. Okay, you have to read the sight word and write it. Okay, which is the first sight word? Read it. He. So write it in capital and then small.
Okay.
Right? Okay, now write it into small letters. Capital H and small e. Which is the next?
C.
She. Correct. Right? Pehle capital then small. The next worksheet is write lowercase of each. So when you teach your kids lowercase, there are few alphabets whose lowercase they get confused into. For example, between B and D, between P and Q. So it is good if you keep repeating the lowercase time to time. Come on, start writing lowercase.
Okay. B तो इस तरफ आएगा क्योंकि B यहाँ है तो वो इस तरफ ही आएगा.
J. Correct. K. So the last worksheet is of vowels. So Mahi, how many vowels there are?
5 vowels.
Name them.
A. E.
Huh?
I.
Huh?
O. U.
And you are looking into the copy. I can see that. Okay, so there are 5 vowels. And Mahi, listen carefully. I have written few words over here. Okay? And every word consists of a vowel. So you have to circle the vowels in each word. Okay?
Okay.
Easy?
Okay.
Very easy. Let's begin, Mahi. Circle the vowels.
Okay.
So friends, that was all for today. I have made these worksheets on my own, and Mahira is learning all these things in her class as well. So you can introduce different kinds of worksheet on one topic and teach your kids. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe it and share with your friends. Say bye, Mahi.